Now, I want to show you how to host your Unity app on Azure. So let me type host Unity Azure, and let's click this first link. The title says hosting your Unity game on Azure. So this is basically a tutorial that shows you how to host your Unity app on Azure. But this is a little outdated. So let me show you an updated version of this tutorial. I have here a roll a ball tutorial downloaded from Unity, and I want to publish this Unity app to Azure. First, I go to File and select Build Settings. Here I select a WebGL. So you might want to change your platform in case it is not already done. And once you change your platform, you will see these build or build and run options. So now I want to click build, and before doing that, I want to make sure that my scene is selected, and I will click this build. And then I need to select a folder where I store the files that I want to publish. So in this case, I will choose this folder called Web Deploy 2. And then I will select that folder. It says you are not a member. I just continue. While this process is going on, let me go back to the tutorial. And there's one file I need to download from this page. So if you scroll down, you will see this part where it says we have this file called web.config. And if you click this link, actually you can download this file. The build process is complete, and we have a build folder, template data folder, and index.html. And this web.config file is the file that I just downloaded from the tutorial website. Now let's go to Visual Studio. So I will open Visual Studio, click File, New, Project. And here we have a Visual C#, and then we have Web. And you see that we have two options. Unity supports a .NET framework. So we want to click this. And then you want to have a name for your application, and location, solution name, .NET framework. So for this tutorial, I select a 4.6 because I'm sure that 4.6 is supported by Unity. And then I click OK. And here we have this empty selected and say OK. Okay, now this Visual Studio project is created, and the next thing that you want to do is copy all these files and paste them into this Solution Explorer window. So right click and paste. There is already a file with a name, web.config. Do you want to replace it? And you can say yes. And now it's time to publish. So let me right click this project name, Rollerball, and then click publish. So we want to create a new one. So make sure that this is selected, and then you say publish. And this app name, let me just remove this, Rollerball. It's not available, so I say Rollerball 2, and it's available, so I will use that. Resource group, you can create new resource group for this app. I will just use the test resource that I already created before, and that's about it. So let's click create. Deployment is in progress, so you need to wait some time. Now the publishing is complete, and this browser, which is I think it's Microsoft Edge, does not support Unity. So let me copy this URL and then go back to Google Chrome and create a new tab and paste that URL here. And now you see that Unity app is running online. By the way, you can have this full screen option. So let me click that. So by using keyboard arrows, I can see my ball is moving. And this is how you publish your Unity app to Azure.